Mobile phone fault finding for mobile cell phone repairing. Keypad faults and solution. Keypad, type of component that helps to operate a mobile phone. Some mobile phones are screen touch and are operated by PDA. Faults, no key working or only some key working. Keys need more pressure to work, or when pressed a key works continuously. One key is pressed and some other key works, or when one key is pressed, some other key works simultaneously. Solution, check facial of the keypad. Clean keypad, take clean keypad points. Keep multimeter in buzzer mode and check row and column of the keypad. If there is beep sound then pad is OK. Keypad IC, interface IC, heat or change. CPU, heat, reball or change. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.